Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create one-way tile or alternative tile in Godot game engine. So let's get started. If you don't know one-way tile, they are basically like suppose I am standing on a platform, and if there is some other platform above me, if I try to jump, I should be able to not get hit on the head by the platform, but instead I should be able to land on that platform. So yeah, let's get started. I'm doing it from scratch because I want to make it easy for beginners. So I'll just click on 2D scene. I'll name this as game. I'll click enter. I'll command S to save it, and I'll just run this as well, so that this is my root scene that has been selected. Okay, then I'll just click on this. I'll click on this plus button. I'll add this character body 2D. Then I will add this sprite 2D to this as well, and we need to add a collision shape as well to this. Then go to sprite 2D. I'll drag and drop this player over here. Then I'll just zoom in a little bit, go to collision shape, and I will add this capsule shape to this, and I will just make it like this over here. I'll just command S to save. I'll save it. I'll attach one script to this as well. So just here you can see by default Godot provides this character body 2D basic movement, so I'll just use that. So if you are not able to see this, just click on this and select this character body 2D basic movement. I'll click on create, so it automatically creates the script for us. I think this was introduced in Godot 4.4 or 4.3. I'm using latest Godot 4.4, which is the latest at the time of me recording this video. I'll go back to game. I'll add our player over character body over here as well. Then I'll go to project settings. I'll search for 2D physics. Here I'll just name it as platform. Okay, this is important because we want our player to land on the platform, right? Then let's just go back to our character body. Let's go to collision, and then in collision off layer 1. Okay, and we'll just enable mask layer 1. Then I'll come back to our game, and here I'll click on this. I'll just add this tile map layer over here. Then I'll just click on this new tile set, click on this. Okay, and here I think we need to go to tile set over here. We'll just drag and drop this terrain which I already have. Just click on yes over here. Then I'll go back to this 2D thing. Here you can see we have this character body, but which it is very small. Firstly I'll move it over here, somewhere over here. Okay, then I'll go back to character body 2D. I'll add a camera as well, so that we can zoom in a little bit. So I'll just change the zoom size to 3. Feel free to change it whatever you feel like. Command S to save. Come back over here, go to tile map layer. I'll expand this a bit, and here I'll just zoom in a bit. So here we have this tile map. Then what we can do is go to physics layer, click on add element, disable this particular part. We will only require collision layer. Okay, then we need to click paint in tile set, but I think before that just go to tile set. Okay, again just zoom in, click on select. Thing is, yeah, click on paint, select property editor, physics layer 0, and here you can see it has added this particular shape. So I want this particular tile set, so I'll just select this. Here you can see it has automatically added it for me. I can go to tile map, here select the paint tool, and there is some kind of a bug in Godot. As you can see, it is not allowing me to paint this. I don't know why. So again just open. Okay, so what I'll do is, sorry about this, ignore the VS Code part. So what I'll do is I'll just I don't know if I'm doing any mistake. I'll just click on this. Let me try one more time. I'll just select this. I'm not able to draw over here. I don't know what's the issue. I'll just quit Godot game engine and I'll reopen it. There is some kind of an issue which I'm not able to figure it out. I'll just reopen my project over here. Okay, I'll click on tile map layer. I'll click over here. Okay, why I'm not able to? I'll just click on select property editor, physics layer 0. We have already added this, right? Yeah, go to tile map, click on paint, click on this. Yeah, oh, I think I didn't select this tile, so I think the issue was with my way of doing this. But anyway, I'll just add these tiles as you can see over here, and I'll add a tile just above it over here. I'll just zoom in a little bit. I'll just remove this. Okay, sorry, I'll just remove this. I'll make it over here just so that I can prove it to you nicely. Then I can just run this. So here you can see our player lands on this. I can move our player. Okay, I think I just made it too close. What I'll do is I'll go to tile map layer, I'll go to tile map, and here I'll just remove this particular part and I'll add it over here. Okay, then I'll come back, run this. Okay, I'll just come over here and I'll try to jump. Here you can see I'm getting like it is hitting on my head, so it is not a one-way tile map. So what we can do is I can go to tile map layer, I can go to tile map. Now the best way to do this, I want some of these tiles to be not one-way tiles and some of this to be one-way tiles. So the easiest way to do is, to avoid confusion, is go to tile set, click on the select tool, then right click, click on create alternative tile, and if you scroll over here inside alternative tile you should see your tile. Then go to paint, okay, and select this particular thing, and for this only we will enable this what is this polygon one way. So this is the important thing to make one way tiles. Again I go to tile map, I'll select this particular part, and here I'll just add this one way tile. Then I'll rerun the application. So if I come over here, here you can see I'm still able to hit it on my head. But if I come over here, okay, why I'm still able to hit it on my head? Okay, this is one way. Okay, I'll select this. Just a second, I don't know what's going wrong here. Yeah, this seems correct. I have enabled. Is it one of this Godot issue or what? So I had selected this, okay, and here I have enabled this. I'll go back to tile map, I'll select this, I'll just paste it over, paint it over here, I'll run this. Should have worked. Yeah, here you can see now it is right. I don't know what the issue was. So now it is working over here, and okay, and for this I'm still getting hit on my head. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.